We respond to fire alarms as if they are the real thing. Why not take the IPCC's planetary-wide Code Red seriously? I mean, we could be looking at the extinction of our species or the collapse of civilization again. According to the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, the entire planet's climate system is changing in ways that are unprecedented in thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of years. As American futurist Alex Steffen says, we are in an all-encompassing discontinuity, and no one knows anything for sure about what's coming. Things could prove to be a lot worse than the IPCC predicts, or a lot less severe. We may face deadly heat waves like the one that kills millions in the openings of Kim Stanley Robinson's climate fiction novel, Ministry for the Future. We may generate breakthroughs in carbon capture and sequestration that reverse global warming. No one knows the future, but the Code Red is clear, and this may well be our last opportunity to put out the fire. Let's be honest. All of the many worthwhile things we as individuals have been doing for the last 40 years, recycling, switching to electric cars, installing solar panels, advocating for policy change, it feel like exercises in futility. Conversations that have the potential to actually change things on a grand scale in our world, like those at COP, are very few and very far between. You and I don't have access to them. And even if we did, it seems that too many of the ones being held these days pander to vested interests and the demons of polarization, leaving humanity with watered down solutions to our most pressing climate-related problems. I don't know about you, but I feel as if I'm one of 7 billion victims of a looming climate disaster. The daily challenges of pandemic living only deepen my angst and despair. I don't want to be a victim. I want to grab the opportunity this dangerous moment presents. But to do so, I realize I'll need to relate to the future like an explorer, with curiosity, not with fear and anxiety. I'll need to embrace the unknown and the uncertain in a mood of optimistic resolve. I'll need to commit to the possibility that we can overcome this threat before any evidence exists that it's even possible. As my coach Jim Selman says, I'll need to become existentially confident. In this spirit of existential confidence, I commit to an experiment. I will change who I am being, a victim, by changing how I relate to everything, to myself and others, climate and time, and then see what one woman can do to improve life on this planet.